my name is April Burns. I'm the admissions team leader here at Clary Sage College, and this is
Katie McCullough, admissions representative here at Clary Sage College.
We are here today to show you the kit and a couple of the books that you get in our esthetician program, so you have a good idea of the supplies that you get as a student here. So I'm going to start real quick and just show you a couple of the books. So a program that we do here is called Prosper You. It's a business program that we teach our students, and so you'll have a whole notebook and all of your books for that. And then we also use My Ladies, so you will have your books for that as well. So you can see those here. It's going to have your student workbook as well as your exam reviews that you're going to need for state board. We are also a Dermalogica partnership school, so let's divulge into that kit real quick. Let's open it up. So you have this nice handy kit to be able to carry all of your skincare items, which is nice because it would be hard to carry all of those around. So let's see what see what we have here. Oh my, that's a lot of stuff. So you've got the strap so that you have that to hook on, and then in here you've got tons of the different products. So you will get the pre-cleanse, the solar defense booster, and the multivitamin power recovery mask. I use that, it's incredible. You will get, let's see what's, oh wow, these are large items. So you've got the special cleansing gel as well as your toner. So you've got that to be able to use on your clients. You guys will also have everything to use in the classroom as well, so you're not going to have to only be using the things that you get in your kit. Then you have the Ultra Calming Cleanser as well, and that's the large size too, so that's nice. Let's put those back in here. This is a really nice carrying case. I kind of need one of these for when I go out of town.
Good for travel. Got lots of different compartments, and it's really durable.
And then on this side, there's tons of different areas. You've got some of your sponges. You've got, oh, your mapping sheets, so you can help people figure out what their treatment plan needs to be. You've got information here. The book is what they call it, with all of the details on all the different products. You can really, you know, make sure you're educated, be able to educate your clients. So you've got all of those books that come along, and then even more. It just keeps going.
Tons of products.
You've got the daily microfoliant. You've got massage cream. You have scaling fluid. Oh, how do you even say that word?
Colloidal.
Colloidal mask base. Katie, you should be an esthetician.
Maybe I should.
Exfoliant accelerator. Calming botanical mixer. Active Moist, which I use this, it's incredible, especially like during the winter when your skin is super dry. You'll learn all about that in the program, but it's incredible what this product can do. Then you have the multivitamin power exfoliant. So you've got all of those in there. That's nice. Those are perfect size so that you're not wasting any of your materials either. And then post-extraction solution. So that's all of the things that you get that are just Dermalogica, so that's not even the entirety of your kit. So Katie, do you want to move on to the next part?
So I will talk about this first. So this right here is your waxing kit. So in the program you will do full body waxing. So in this kit it includes your wax warmer, pre-liquids to prep the skin, and then the calming liquids and like wax remover liquids, as well as the sticks to apply your wax with. So that is everything that's included in here. I'll go ahead and open it up and give you a peek at what is in here. So these are all of the liquids. This right here is your wax warmer. And it's a professional wax warmer that you've probably seen, you know, in different salons, getting your eyebrows done and whatnot. All of your wax in here as well.
That is nice. Ooh, it smells really good.
It does smell. It smells like honey.
Wow, I like that smell a lot.
So that's everything that is included in your waxing kit. So we will move on to, I'll let you talk about this one in a minute. some other items. So this is the second bag that you'll get in addition to all of your dermalogic products housed in that first nylon bag. This is another bag that also has a long carry strap as well as a top handle. It zips around. So the first thing that we have in here is a large hand mirror. I don't want to take it out of the plastic because I don't want to break it and get 7 years bad luck, but we have a big hand mirror. We've got your Clary Patch apron. We've got some dry face wipes. There are a lot of different applicators in here for makeup products because in the program you also get a full makeup kit that I will also show you. So we've got your makeup brush set here. There are capes. There are disposable headbands. Let's see, there is like a facial brush. We've got some small scissors, tweezers, latex sponges. We've got another salon apron. Yeah, there are individual lashes. And I think, yes,
full sets of lashes
yeah,
as
strip
well.
lashes that are the just removable, disposable kind.
Lip brushes.
Yep. Extra spoolies, makeup spatulas, empty storage tubs for mixing, keeping additional products. We've also got a makeup palette, mixing palette there. Some
tweezers.
Extra tweezers, slant tip tweezers. There's extractors and lancers in here, and some needle nose tweezers in this little kit. There's so many things in here. I feel like it's never ending.
Just keep going.
Lip liners and eyeliners.
What's that?
Oh, it's a sharpener.
Oh.
And finally, latex gloves.
Gloves.
So that is everything in this part of the kit. So I'm gonna pop all of this back in here.
And then next, in our esthetician program, you also get certified in lashes. So the brand we use is called Christina Alexandria. So in this, you'll have everything that you need. So you're gonna have all your different lashes, the glue, the remover, everything to help it dry quicker, your spoolies, your pads for underneath your eyes so that you can keep that down, because that's a big part of it, is making sure you don't attach the bottom lash to the top lashes. So you'll have all of that. The certification is awesome, so that way you're not graduating from school and then having to continue to go get certifications to offer services. So you'll get that in your program too. Yeah. And then do you want to show them the makeup kit?
Absolutely. So I know that I touched on this just a few minutes ago, but this is the makeup kit. Let's open this guy up.
Oh, that's cool.
So yeah, this is a nice little bag. So it's got a top handle. It velcros closed and opens up.
Oh, that's nice.
Like this with
a
little easel mirror. I'm going to lift this up a little bit. There's an area for brush storage and 2 little elastic compartments on the sides here. So to keep your brushes all nice and organized. So the brand of cosmetics that we give our students here is called Pigment Cosmetics. Pigment Cosmetics was developed by a makeup artist that works on movie sets and for magazine photo shoots. And it's a really great line. It offers a wide range of colors and it's awesome professional quality. So over here we've got a couple different loose powders, large sizes too. Let's see, we've got mascara, a cream eyeliner, got a couple different lip products here it looks like. So this one is Charming Lip Gloss and Kiss Proof Lip Gloss. Let's open one of these.
And here is an example of how big those powders are. So it's a very large size. You've got tons of material in here to be able to use for a long time instead of it just lasting for a couple different appointments.
Yeah, so here's one of the lip gloss colors, and this is the Charming Lip Gloss. So it's a nice neutral shimmering pink.
I like that. And then here, I think these are all the foundation. So a bunch of different mini liquid foundations that you're gonna have to be able to cover your clients' faces. So let me pull one of them out so that you can kind of see the sizes. So there's tons of different colors because not everyone has the same face colors, and sometimes you need those smaller ones with just your little pump so that you can mix the colors to really be able to correct the color or match a color. So you can see here the sizes of them. You're gonna have how many? 2, 4, 6, 10 different foundation colors to use.
And like she mentioned earlier, there's enough colors here to kind of mix and match and get the right color for your client. So over here on this side, we've got a few different palettes. So the first palette here, we have a concealer palette. So I will open this up. Take a peek at this. Wow, that's a toughie.
Doesn't want you to open it.
Nope, it's mad at me. There we go.
Ooh, it's got the green.
It even has the color correcting, the cover redness. A couple other colors in here too. So this is a cream concealer palette. It's a really nice size. The pans are really big, so you won't be running out of product super quickly. The next one I have in here is a 10 color cream contour palette. So we'll pop open this guy as well.
They're still so nicely too. 10 colors. That's amazing. Protective plastic.
Go.
Oh wow, those are nice. It goes really well because then you have the 10 foundations and then 10
Absolutely.
of those. So you probably match pretty well.
And then the last palette that we have in here is a 10 color blush palette. And all of the packaging on this is really nice. It's hard plastic, so it's not like the cardboard packaging, so it won't get damaged as easily as some other types that are out there in the market. So these are your blush colors.
So pretty.
Yeah, so there's a good variety of matte blush tones as well as shimmers. All the colors that can carry you through all the different seasons and different skin tones as well. Yeah. So that
conclude our kit?
The kit.
Awesome.
Yes.
Well, if you have any questions about our aesthetics program, we'd be happy to chat with you. Just give us a call at 918-298-8200, or you can check out more information online at www.clarysagecollege.com. Thanks.